You are the former Zion we church will be about Zion. And I'm going to say some kakra make an yatuni di say ahomaso. Na saa nkranse se mu ye koma ye nuanu ma no sese no obi afi se obetimi ready obetimi atwere obetimi use phone obetimi use computer enunti no ye ndwene se bibi wo ho no ma ye frɛ no aware. Now when you now come around and see your celebrities now, they are the people who are paving this path for the young one to follow. But a time will come, you better regret it. When you say abortion starts here during slave trade. Ebra yenya apahudi America for me say blacks enya apahudi, they have the right to vote, they have the right to live, they have the right to not serve anyone. But during those days now blacks are giants, they were handsome. So, what came into their mind when they said, no money say, blacks men will snatch all the women in America. And until governors no law be to say you can abort. Now, edu sa time ni so na doctors for enim di story say omo betimi abort nkwala ye ma nuru ma wonu ma untumi nyem said the bear no mo pese racist ni bear e be mese because no mo say definitely white man abrofo man omo pe blacks ni enu ti no so omo ja omo na se omo ni omo etena omo bewo omo so a they will turn as black America definitely because black ye jeans no e powerful than white and nti no nkwala ni na be black Americans e kwa na mo hye samre e ma no so mu say yes ye aborting nkwala no ye nwa da bia no our shapes look what attractive. And you almost decided say, okay, and you are on that was when prostitution here, America has been a very miserable town before, a very miserable community before, a very miserable country before. Do you know the reason why I moved to buy? And then they come about during olden days, now the white defecates around. Those days, no money baby a friend in nature's call, no money baby a friend on private, and excuse me, toilet. They are building any toilet around. So they just defecate into a polythene bag. So they defecate inside a polythene bag, dump them around. Satem no money ligu basa. Anything they buy, they say, there was some young paboa bia, omo betimi de tietia, abra, omo nan enka ejanan. And when a man move na, ubo si de tiha kubu, na na yi tintin e buy. Nanso ene abe fashion. And then abortion abe fashion. Na man so mo. Now do you know that South White they are seeking for population. Population need reducing. because abeye interested omo na mo hye law mo na mo hye mra no bet sisi a omo ntumi nkwete no because the ladies are used to it and you know a person who do 40 years and sana wawo be 40 years na many post achieve no mo say living fancy life once Australia for Africa for some mra o study o connect study in Australia, study in Canada, study in China. Do you know why? They want to increase their population. But yene Africa for na yet Africa mamuna. I was saying ye jai some asasem. Excuse my words. We are rather involving ourselves. Obia person will live fancy life, whether rich or poor. Anything ama aware ho ayede or ware 2-3 weeks no definitely because when you say sa life na no live e bra o yesi jani sisi aware into ntumi live sa life ni bio. We have something we call human right. He can brag on the man bema bi anso no ko be pene se obade na ni be for no waja aware. Now before when you be bound no what 10 to 40 years. Now the area of women say if you are not rich, you won't be able to marry. When you see Kenya, when you are married, it's our story. Ababa all this is none who of a year now obia ba we there oniska obia ba we dey oniska when an adam for me omini na no me childhood friend or falling in love ma girl no again ena wo approach girl say o person ware na girl say hene ha oniska ntimi nware so boy na nkasa anche bia no mutam etete e meka say like obi atu kwan e call baby foforo na boy no ko shemu yi adwuma e benyeska tidako oko shopping mall bia oko to ade odu shopping mall hona no hia gena no open no chia na again na shase manyo bia aware no na mikun na maware no the monthly salary ay 20,000 Ghana cedis and it is can 200 million no say sa no say oha boy ni dan again ni dan ni anu mu se ni kunu ba no say ha ni kunu ni ti ni kunu hu papa no achi an say boss good afternoon no ka chere ni yere ni say papa we shi an so ni pada sa papa we ni nkwala na ba ko ni ono no oji 200 million papa na first ko be ware again na ampini ne boys I go na dum ba ko ni boy ni kuna waware na sa papa de ye oye good die we shi ani pe bi oye good say papa ne da na afi papa ne say no odo ba bi oba na ngare enti onya hu sa ba ne ngare na o ngare biu and it is still papa na ngare na oba akora ne de when him say money be nim nyasa because zani power ya want to me anware ne de on to be nware obi abio kwa na woman ne shock ni kunu na aka sa asem ne mpala about 100 emu ba ko salary dia waje enti wono ni sika ese so dem make nyina ne say ahoma so no me to yabo so ati ase wonim da obiara san be shine wonim da obiara yie de beba obiara ne karma obiara ne fate o de ba asase wesu obiara ne destiny until say nipa na reach that destination there is no way you can judge that fellow. Someone can be poor today and tomorrow be rich. Others will be rich today, tomorrow be poor. Others will live rich life and died in riches. Some will be living in poor life and also die in poor. So you know man, mommy and two say ye imitate the white. We've all been through this attitude, arrogance. But do not wait to be matured and stand about to because had I known it always at last. A be a time I will be say, Sisi there was the concentrating. Saturn, now catch. May don't be my church will be about my real subscribe to Zion TVGH. Now I call Facebook, now I like Zion TVGH, Instagram, Zion TVGH, Twitter, Zion TVGH, and YouTube also, Zion TVGH. May there be a Macron, bye.